The landscape of higher education continues to change, requiring colleges and universities to use data to drive decisions like never before. Now imagine being able to compare your institution's student-level data to that of your peers, or have access to a calculator that can project an estimated net return based on factors specific to your school. If that sounds of interest to you, then this demo on the NAIA's newest member tool, ROA Insights, will hit home. Return on Athletics, or ROA, aligns collegiate athletics with the priorities of our member institutions, specifically in the areas of enrollment, student success, and finance. Let's go ahead and dive into the tool. Insights is the first member-facing tool available as part of the Return on Athletics initiatives. Insights provides NAIA members in-depth analytics about how athletics can impact institutional enrollment, student success, and financial viability. Through ROA Insights, schools can track year-over-year comparisons on key athletic metrics like net return, discount rate, retention, and sport expenses. As you can see here on the institution page, this information can be filtered by participation level, as you see in the 4 different categories of the overall athletic department, varsity athletes, non-varsity athletes, and post-athletic athletes. It can also be filtered by sport by using the drop-down in the upper right-hand corner, and you can see that we can filter this specifically by basketball, men's basketball in this case, and get the same metrics for that specific sport. You can also click back to see all your sports, and you also have the ability to filter this by gender, which you can see in the drop-down menu just to the left of the sport menu. Another benefit to ROA Insights is the ability for a school to compare itself with other NAIA institutions. Users can designate parameters such as enrollment, number of sports, and tuition rate to see how their institution compares. So you can see here in the upper section, you can do the drop down by sport and select men's soccer and see how your institution compares against all other men's soccer institutions in your comparison group. You also have the ability to toggle the slicers, as I mentioned, the first being enrollment. So say we set the enrollment minimum to 900 students, and you can see how that impacts your institution peer group. You also have the ability to save your filters by clicking the green box in the upper right-hand corner, and that allows you to save your like group for when you come in and out of the system. In addition to this basic view that you see now, you can click the drop-down just to the left of the Save Filters button to see a more detailed view of the comparison data. This is where you can see how you compare in a lot of different, more detailed metrics. Finally, ROA Insights includes a net return calculator that can help identify how specific changes can affect the financial strength of your athletics program. By adjusting your institution's discount rate and/or enrollment, you can see how adjustments to these numbers affect your bottom line. So for example, if you toggled your discount rate to 58% and adjusted your student athlete percentage or increased your student athlete percentage by 20%, so you'd be at 120%, you could see how those factors impact the bottom line. To learn more about the NAIA and Return on Athletics, we are here to connect your institution with our membership team.